If you want to paint your car from this color to that color, then keep watching. Hey guys, Chris Fix here. I'm not a Chris Fix actually. I am just J1, J, or row J1, J, whatever. So today I'm gonna show you how to paint your car by yourself. It's really easy job. I want to paint my car with camouflage, and it was sand color and matte black color. So it's just sort of two-tone, two color. So yeah, let's make it happen. So the first step, sand your car, and the second step, masking. Then the third step is painting. Now it took almost 10 days. It took so long because it rained so many times. So I have no choice but do not. And can you imagine this car on the street in Mongolia? Oh my god, that's so fit. It's time to make it happen. And at first, I tried with 600 sandpaper, and that does not work well. So I changed it with 120 sandpaper, and it works well. I have no time, only a few days to sand. So let's go. It'll take all day long. It took 2 days. Masking was the worst job ever. And then started from the bottom with black matte color. And at first I targeted like this car. In my opinion, this looks so old-fashioned, so I decided to change the color like a tiger. In my opinion, that looked like a Siberian tiger, so I named my car Siberian Tiger. Like this. And I want to finish it fast. That's why I have not any videos like masking or painting. Yeah, I want to finish it fast. And that's why video clip is a bit short. And I started the second masking, and it rained, as you can see. It's full of rain everywhere on the car and masking. Oh my, can you see that? That's kind of disaster. It's almost done. Wow. And finally, as you can see, look at that color. And here's the detail. What I need first was just 8 can of rust oleum car paint and 120 grit sandpaper and just 50-meter old masking tape. Yeah, that was all. And if you have enough time, then that's it. And even I hope you guys do this job if you have a garage, then it will fit perfectly. So that's it. Bye bye.